My name is Zach, and we just bought a new house. And when the inspector came through, he pointed out that there were a number of different fans and vents in the house, in the kitchen and in the bathroom, and they weren't really connected to anything. They were just venting straight into the attic, and there were no holes in the roof that would let all that moisture go anywhere but the attic. And so he pointed out that that was, a problem that we probably wanted to get fixed. So as soon as we closed on the house, one of the first things we did was look up some local roofers who could help us cut a hole in our roof and connect the fans to the outside.
When I first called up Guardian, they were incredibly helpful. I had talked to a number of roofers. I had a list,
It's like 5 or 10 maybe?
Yeah. I think it was a dozen deep, and every other company that I had called said, we only work on roofs that we've installed. And I was like, well, that's not gonna work because we have a brand new roof, but I need vents. How do I do that? And so I was really grateful when I called Guardian Roofing because they were incredibly helpful. They were able to send somebody out within, I think, a day or two, and they were just very professional over the phone. And we're so happy that Guardian sent him out to be our technician because he was just very mellow and low key, but very informative. He walked me through, as somebody who doesn't know very much about how roofs work, he walked me through what the vents were, how they might connect them to the outside, what the installation would be like, what the time frame would be like. It was very communicative about what the scope and length of the project would be, which was very important to us. Guardian fixed the problem by coming to our house, sending out a technician. Within a couple of hours, they had re-vented, I suppose, put in new vents to all of the 3 vents that needed exterior venting. They installed the exterior roof vents, and it all worked really well, and it was really quick. I would highly recommend Guardian to family and friends. I'm very confident the problem has been resolved. We can look at our roof now and be like, all right, we know that the roof is new and the vents are new and it all works the way it's supposed to.
And I was up there climbing around the attic looking for something and saw that the vents were now venting outside instead of inside, which is much better.
The entire process was very seamless. Often when we were doing additional renovations on the house, and there are times when you speak with contractors and you have no idea what they're talking about and you have no idea how long things will take or what they will cost. And with Guardian, it was all very seamless and above board and very transparent.